Trump has signed a new executive order restricting the entry of citizens from dozens of countries into the United States. The order imposes a full ban on nationals of several countries, including Syria, Sudan, Yemen, and Libya, as well as individuals holding passports issued by the Palestinian Authority. It also places partial restrictions on nationals of several other countries as part of Trump's broader push to tighten immigration policies, under the claim of protecting U.S. security. But from a human rights perspective, the question remains, is this decision fair? International law may not guarantee an absolute right to enter another country. However, it clearly prohibits discrimination based on nationality, national origin, or political status. And this is where the problem lies. This order relies on collective bans, not individual assessment. It targets entire countries and peoples, many of whom are already suffering from war, poverty, and forced displacement. For Palestinians, the impact is even more severe. Banning holders of Palestinian Authority travel documents means punishing individuals for a political reality imposed on them, under occupation and without a sovereign state. Such measures do not enhance security. Instead, they entrench policies of exclusion and collective punishment, and undermine the principles of equality and non-discrimination at the core of the international human rights system. What we are witnessing today is not simply an immigration decision, but yet another example of how security and sovereignty are used to justify discriminatory policies that violate human dignity and the right to fair treatment. This decision must not go unchallenged. Discriminatory travel bans violate fundamental human rights and set a dangerous precedent. Some of these orders can be challenged in court by U.S. citizens and residents. Policies made in your name must respect human rights and equality. Raise your voice. Demand fairness. Refuse to accept policies that punish people for who they are or where they come from.